Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using Google Maps. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to teach you a business, how to build a business that's going to generate you from $200 to $1,000 per month. So basically what you're going to do is choose a country. I prefer the United States because there are a lot of opportunities in here and their currency is the best currency to work with. So here what we're going to do is you're going to open your Google Maps and choose the country, then choose a state or a city. For example, let's say we're going to go for Logan here. You can choose whatever city you'd like, but let's start with Logan in here and then zoom in and try to find the local businesses in this city. For example, let's see if we can find a hairstylist or a dresser or a plumber. And the idea is that we're going to call them or send them an email trying to pitch them our idea. And the idea is we're going to help them rank more in the Google Maps website, rank their business in the Google Maps website, and we're going to help them get more good reviews and more stars for their business, and that will result in them getting more clients. So here let's try to find a business in here, like a hairdresser or a hair stylist. Let's go for hair salon. So here we have Rage Salons, Serendipity Salon. Let's say the Rage. So this is the salon. So here they have 4.5 stars and 186 reviews, and they also have a website and they have a lot of reviews. So let's see if we can find the email in the website. You have the number here if you want to call them, but if you're not from the United States, you'll have a lot of trouble in trying to call them. So let's see if we can find their Instagram or their Facebook or their email, and then we will try to pitch them in their email or their Facebook or their Instagram as well. So here let's go for the Instagram, and also their website is a little out of date. You can also pitch them to the idea of renovating their website. So here first let's go to their Instagram, and guys, you will need no skill to do this service. You'll just need to go to pitch them the idea and then close these clients. Then you will go to fiverr.com. Here just type fiverr.com and then search for Google Maps, the people that are doing that service, which is Google Maps ranking. Let's search for Google Maps ranking. Then we're just going to hire someone for $25 or $30 to do the job for us, and we're going to get paid $200 or $100 for the service from the client. Then we're going to pay the freelancer that is going to do the skill a small portion of that. Then we'll have a great margin from doing that. And if you multiply the process on multiple clients or multiple businesses, you will make a lot of money in the month. So here you can use this one, which gets paid $10, starts from $10. He will optimize your Google My Business listing for local SEO, and this one will do GMB optimization ranking and Google Maps citation for local businesses. This one is in the second level. Let's see, these are the Fiverr's choice. So let's choose this one. So you'll just need to send a pitch to these people. For example, you can click on the message, and here if you want to make a great pitch, go for ChatGPT. I will show you how you can make the pitch. Let's open ChatGPT. So this is the freelancer that we're going to hire for the service, but first we will need to close or to get the clients first. So here you can just say, give me an Instagram pitch for a hair salon that I'm trying to make that I'm trying to close as my client for Google Maps business optimization. And that's it. Let's see what it's going to give us. Transform your look, unleash your style, step into our salon and let our expert stylists draft the perfect hair masterpiece for you from check cuts. This is not what I'm looking for. Give me an Instagram pitch for a hair salon that I'm trying to close as my client for Google Maps business optimization. Let's try to change that. Give me a pitch for a hair salon business that I'm trying to close as my client for cross optimization service. And now let's see if I can get something. Imagine a sanctuary. I think this is at our salon we blend expertise with innovation. And then so you will need, this is just the idea, guys. You will need to work a little more on your pitch, and then just send it to their Instagram and wait for their response. And after their response, make sure to book a meeting with them to close them as your client. And after you get paid from them, then you will go to this freelancer, then pay him to do the job instead of you doing it. So that's basically the idea, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.